Here we are with the Gymallo. This is a Bob Anderson airplane. Um, Kind of interesting design. So this is a maiden flight.
Motor on.
Wow, check that out. Flies beautiful.
Motor on.
And pushing the battery all the way back did make a big difference. Now it can go even slower. And I like the way it flies better.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
You do get about a 10-minute flight from this battery. A big difference with the battery back further. Flies great. Bob passed away in 2020, and this was a great design of his.
8 minutes.
Super easy to fly, and it just floats really nice. Maybe we'll try. Let's see what happens if I go back even further. Okay, I'm right at that point there. See what we get.
Motor on.
The further I go back, the nicer it flies. I think that's where I'll leave it. There you go. The flight of the Gymallo. Flies great.